Here I have the game Drinko. This is a game that you could enjoy with friends or family. Be the light of the party at any party or gathering that you have. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here with you. I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box, and then I'm also going to be showing you how to use it and how to play it. So let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, so I went ahead and unboxed it. You do get your Drinko game. You do get a set of rules on how it is that you're going to be playing this game. Also included, you get a total of 6 shot glasses. So I'm going to show you one of them right now. You do get a total of 6 shot glasses. This is what the shot glasses look like. Take a look. And then you also get your little coins that you're going to be dropping down here and expecting them to fall into the shot glasses. Also, you get a set of little dividers. So these dividers are going to actually go right here, that they're going to be the ones dividing the shot glasses. So now I'm going to show you exactly how it works. All right, as you can see, we have the Drinko game set up now. So what you want to do is fill up your shot glasses with a drink of your choice. And then the first player is going to be the youngest player to go first. So you want to go ahead and give them one of the chips. And what they're going to do is simply drop the chip in one of these. So we're going to go ahead and try that out now. As you could see, if there's a drink here, I would go ahead and take it out and drink it. And what you want to do is allow every player to go. What you don't want to do is put this back, so you want them to hold on to it. The person with the most drinks in their hand is the loser, and the person with the least will be the winner. So as you could see, as you're removing them now, the little chips are falling in empty slots. So there you would drink. And the game is going to go on until all the shot glasses are taken. And like I said, as these little chips start falling and the drinks start coming out, then you're going to have some chips fall on areas that no longer have a glass in them. So again, the winner is going to be the person with the least amount of glasses, and the loser is going to be the person with the most amount of glasses. So I don't know if you would consider it a win or a loss, but the loser is going to be the one that has the most drinks. This is definitely a fun game to enjoy with friends and family. I would highly recommend.